In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Framer templates. Let's start from the very beginning, right after you log into your Framer account. Once you're on your dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the option to create a new project. Go ahead and click on New Project. The page will reload for a moment, so give it a bit of time. After it finishes loading, a pop-up window will appear with a gallery of templates you can choose from. On the left side of this pop-up, you'll see filters that help you narrow down the templates. You can browse templates specifically designed for portfolios, businesses, agencies, or resumes. Take a moment to scroll through and preview a few options. Think about what type of site you're building and choose a template that's closest to your needs, since that will save you editing time later. Once you've decided on a template, click on it. Framer will again take a few seconds to load. After it finishes, you'll be taken straight into the editor. This is where you can customize and tweak the template to match your content and style. In the main preview area, you'll see the template exactly as it would appear to visitors. If you want to edit any existing element, such as text, images, or buttons, simply click directly on it in the preview. When you do that, a Properties panel will open on the right side of the screen. Here you can change things like text content, fonts, colors, spacing, and more, depending on the element you selected. If there's something you don't need, you can easily remove it. Just select the element in the preview and press the delete key on your keyboard. The element will disappear from the page. Don't worry too much, because you can always undo if you remove something by mistake. To rearrange elements, click and drag them to a new position. This makes it simple to adjust the layout until it feels right. If you want to add new elements, look toward the top left of the editor and find the Insert button, marked with a plus icon. Click on Insert, and a panel will open where you can browse through different types of components, like sections, navigation bars, menus, CMS elements, and many other building blocks. From here, just drag the item you want into the canvas, then customize it using the same Properties panel on the right. And that's all you need to get started editing Framer templates with confidence.